Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. We are in respectful agreement with the said finding of the learned single judge. Stop. The power to set aside an ex parte degree cannot be exercised in a casual manner, more particularly when the statutory provision specifically requires the party to make out special circumstances for exercise of such powers. Stop. Para. It is then sought to be contended on behalf of the respondents that mere setting aside of the ex parte decree will not amount to dismissal of the suit, and the plaintiff can still succeed in the suit if he is able to prove his claim. Stop. By setting aside an ex parte decree, only consequence that will follow is that execution of the decree would be postponed for some time, but it will give opportunity to the defendant to defend the case. Stop. The contention is devoid of substance. Stop. Once the plaintiff is armed with the decree, his right to execute the decree cannot be denied but for special circumstances to be made out by the defendant for that purpose. Stop. The provision of law in that regard under Rule 4 Order 37 of the CPC is very clear. Stop. Besides, as far as the opportunity to defend the claim is concerned, there are enough safeguards provided under the statutory provision as already observed above. Stop. The first such opportunity is available when the summons is served. Stop. The second opportunity is available under Rule 37 of Order 37, whereby the defendant, in spite of delay or failure on his part to take appropriate steps within the time frame, can satisfy the court and avail the opportunity to defend the suit. Stop. It is nobody's case that the respondents were denied such opportunity. Stop. If the respondents had failed to avail this opportunity, then they themselves to be blamed for their failure. Stop. Para. For the reasons stated above, therefore, the impugned order cannot be sustained and is liable to be set aside, and the appeal to be allowed, and the notice of motion taken out by the respondents to be dismissed. Stop. Para. The appeal accordingly therefore succeeds. The impugned order is hereby set aside, and the notice of motion number 2322 of 2004, which was taken out by the respondents before the learned single judge in summary suit number 3835 of 2003, is hereby dismissed with costs. Stop. Para. At this stage, the learned advocate for the respondents prayed for stay of the order passed today in this appeal. Stop. Upon hearing the learned advocates for the parties, the order is stayed for a period of 8 weeks. Stop. Thank you.